Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So, a man was rescued after he was dumped in a pit for days. This is after he was robbed of cash and also his motor vehicle. When we return, we'll discuss this on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. And if it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. So what I want to talk about today on the program is a situation that took place in Spanish Town in which a 66-year-old individual was robbed of cash and also his motor vehicle. And when matters could not get worse, his body was actually dumped in a pit as he stayed there for days before being discovered by residents in a community. When we look on what is going on in our country, it's really shocking to see the level of crime and violence that is taking place. And it doesn't matter how young you are, how old you are, your social economic standing, whether you're from uptown, downtown, whether you're black, whether you're white. This is what is going on in our country. And it's really shocking to see the level of crime that is being portrayed to our own people, our own race, and our own development as a country is staggering because of this. So let me update you with the latest that we have in relation to this story, as this is a very sad one. And even though this individual survived to tell the tales of what happened to him, it could have been different. So a 66-year-old man was rescued from an underground pit in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Sunday morning by a team of personnel from the St. Catherine Fire Department. The rescue came more than 2 days after the man was dumped in a pit by a gunman who reportedly abducted him and robbed him. Reports are that about 9:30 on Thursday night, George Smart of Gregory Park, Portmore, St. Catherine address drove his Nissan AD wagon motor car to Jones Avenue in Spanish Town to deliver a package, but was held up by two armed men with guns. He was abducted and robbed of an undetermined sum of cash, and his motor vehicle was also taken. He was then thrown into an underground pit where he stayed from Thursday night up until Sunday when he was rescued. About 7:30 on Sunday morning, the authorities were alerted to the presence in the pit, and the firefighters came with the personnel of the local police and also assisted in getting this individual out. Smart was removed from the pit about 9:30 a.m. and was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital for treatment. The police are so far not ascertained the persons responsible for this heinous criminal activity that take place in that area of the island. But when we look on this situation, it's very good to see that this actually turned out well in the end, because they could have taken the life of this individual and he actually survived to tell the tales of what happened. But it just goes to show you that these individuals out there, they're very heartless and they're very cold. So you have to take the necessary precautions in order to protect yourself. And even when you do take these necessary precautions as well, you have to put that level of thinking in the back of your head that things can go haywire. So you have to just put those measures in place and try to find the best way and means of protecting yourself, especially when you're traversing the streets, because you don't know who is out there, you don't know who is lurking and watching your every move. But Mr. Smart, is very good to see that he's actually able to survive this ordeal and was able to provide the police with some very vital information. We're not sure whether or not the police are on the hunt for these individuals, but we're hoping that some justice will be served, and we're just hoping that this individual does recover, because I can just imagine how he must have felt being inside that hole from Thursday night up until Sunday when he was discovered and his body taken out of that hole. But it's very sad to see how people can be so heartless, how people can be so cold. But guess what? It's the world that we're living in. And until we realize that fact that we're living in this world that is heartless and cold, and you have to be at the center of your game and the protection of your own self, as well as you have to put measures in place in order to protect your own self and also try to protect who you can, if you can, if you know what I mean. But what happened here is very sad, but still I'm just happy that this individual actually survived this ordeal and is able to actually recount his experience and is able to go home back to his family and also start back his life all over again, because his only way of survival was taken from him, and that was his motor car. But his life was saved, and that is what is important. Just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know your feel about this story. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Thanks for watching as always. And peace and love and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always supporting the movement of Links 007 TV. Thanks.